Hi guys, I'm Anne and I'm super duper excited to bring this video to you because today's video is an unboxing video and it's been a long time since I've bought plants online. I'm really thrilled and really excited to open those boxes that have been lying here since a couple of hours. So let's get started without wasting any time. Oh, this is definitely the vanilla. It's so huge. I got something really exciting. Ooh, wow. I would also quickly like to invite you to follow me on Instagram for planty interactions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the bell icon for notifications and to be part of the notification squad so that you can participate in our monthly giveaways for 2021. If you want to know more about the giveaway, do go and check out the description. I have put down the rules there for you. Also, you can check out the community post to know more. Now, I'll quickly tell you about the seller that I have bought these plants from. He is Sudipto and I met him on Instagram. He's a seller on Instagram. His shop is called Sparsh, A Touch of Nature. I will put all details on the screen for you to contact him and get in touch with him if you want to buy plants from him. So let's get started. I'm really very excited about this video. I will be giving you the prices. I will put the prices on screen as I show you the plants that I unbox. But please keep in mind that the prices may vary when you go and buy the plants. It may change as per the seller's discretion. So you have to keep that in mind. And please do not demand the sellers to give it as per the prices that I have shown you. So it may change because the market keeps changing. Keep that in mind. Let's get started. Let's open them up. Wow. Okay, this is big now. I don't know how to react. Okay, can you just see this? Is what I've got. Okay, let me start. Oh, this is definitely the vanilla. It's so huge. Okay, I'll finish this quickly and then move on to the next box. How exciting is this? Woohoo! Wow! This is beautiful. It's healthy and it's big. You can see. These are the roots. Now it's best to ship without soil and the roots are slightly dry but it was not in transit for many days. Now I will immediately put it in a moist substrate, soak it, put it in on a moss stick or a moss pole and get this plant some attention. Open box number 2. Okay, there's a little note right here saying, "Dear Anne, thanks for shopping with us. We hope you love your new green members and enjoy nurturing them. We wish the plants sent by us adds a touch of nature to your life. Regards, Sparsh, A Touch of Nature. Sudipto Devnath." Okay, so thank you, Sudipto. I got something really exciting right here. You got to be really careful or you might end up throwing something if you don't remember the plants that you bought. Ooh, wow. 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 My brother is going to be super duper happy because I bought this one for him. He's been giving me a lot of gifts. This one's for him and this is beautiful, Sudipto. This is so beautiful. Okay, this is really good. You see the amount of puffs. Slightly pressed on one side, but it's okay. It's almost impossible to send this fellow without getting a little bit of damage. But I'm sure aloes are very good at recovering. So yeah, the soil is pretty dry. I'll have to water it. So I'm not going to open up this last box. This tiny little box contains some beneficial bugs called springtails. And they are good in terrariums. I am really excited about getting them. I intend to put them in a closed terrarium and see how they grow and thrive and maintain my terrarium for me. So now I'll quickly show you all the plants, lay them out together and talk about them a bit before we end this video. Now, since I've opened up all the plants from their wrappings, I have laid them all out here and I can quickly talk about each one of them so that you know what I have bought. Okay, so this one is the one that excites me the most, the vanilla planifolia called the vanilla orchid. Now, this is quite a big plant. I'm really happy about it. I will put it on a moss stick, give it some support and put it in a spot where it gets good amount of sunlight. Now that is a challenge for me to find. So yes, this is a plant that I have been wanting to have and I hope I'm able to keep it well and surviving and thriving with me. So here is the Diptera canthus elastica, which is commonly called the bubble plant. And this is a younger one. This is one that's flowering and it looks pretty. The flowers look quite cute. So this is a plant that I've wanted for some time now and I'm going to try to keep it alive. So yeah, this is how it's come. This one, the new one, has a few crisping leaves right here. Like a few leaves have dried up. This here is a Syngonium auratum and it's got these 3 leaflets. I like this plant. Okay, so it looks pretty healthy. No leaves are damaged. It's quite good and there this one's just a new leaf. I think it's just a new leaf is coming right here. So this here is the aloe Wormsley bronze. I feel it's a good buy because there are so many puffs and it's bursting out of the pot, so I can already propagate and put a couple of puffs that are coming out in another pot and have it growing there. There is a little bit of damage right here. This fellow's got a little crushed, but if I give it some time, I think it'll recover. Maybe a few leaves will dry out and die away, but that's okay. Aloes are resilient and they grow pretty well. So this one's not for my home. I will be giving it to my brother. I bought it especially for him. So I usually keep all my succulents, aloes, and sun-loving plants over there because he gets direct sunlight in his box grill. So this here is the Strobilanthus diariana, which is commonly called Persian shield and purple shield and purple plant or something like that. I'll put the names up for you on the screen. So the purple shield has these lovely purple undersides, and the top of the leaves also are really beautiful. It's a stunning foliage plant, as you can see, but it's an extremely thirsty plant. If you forget to water it, it will dry up, it will droop, and it won't survive. So you have to be very careful about watering it, and it likes humidity, so ensure that you give it humidity. Now this plant is going to go directly into my hillish shelf, so I will leave it in that shelf for a little time, and I will see how it goes and find a perfect spot for it. A few of these, the leaf edges are crisping. Okay, so I have to keep an eye out. It's winter, it's dry months here, so I can understand. The plant looks healthy. This lovely looking plant is the Philodendron Vendembe, and it is a beautiful one. I love the way the leaves are so long, and there is a slight marking on them. If you can see, this one. Can you see this leaf? The plant is really healthy, and there's a new leaf on its way. Again, it's in this plastic, and the root ball is in moist substrate. So I'm going to leave it like that for a day or two. So that's it, my Philodendron Vendembe. So the cherry on the cake is these free gifts that he has sent, including the Oxalis. Actually, I should keep it along with this. So this is what he sent me. This one's the Philodendron Macaulay's Finale, and it's a healthy looking good plant. It's a philo. I love philos, so I'm really happy to have this. This is the Sansevieria Naudricina silver steel, which will again go into my brother's box grill where there's a lot of light, and this plant will really be happy there. And this is the Gasteria Piliansi. So it's really cute. And again, this goes with the Sansevieria to my brother's house. This here is the Oxalis volcanicola. It's a very pretty Oxalis. I have given it a try before. It did not survive. That's sad, but I'm giving it another shot. And now the thing is that Sudipto has not charged me for this. He's just given it to me for free, so I'm not complaining. There's a little bit of stress. The plant is a little stressed, and I'm really happy that I have this one. So again, I have a humidity shelf, so it's going to go inside, and it is going to, and I'm going to like give it as much good attention as I can, and this time try to keep it alive. So Oxalis volcanicola. It's got these pretty, very delicate leaves. They're so pretty. They're purple, dark purple, and the flowers are yellow, bright yellow. So it's a contrast, purple and yellow, and it looks really gorgeous. So I hope this plant, completely recovers. The leaves at the bottom are all fresh and happy. The ones on top are slightly kind of drooping. So I might observe and see if they don't recover. I'm just going to trim it off, and hoping that the plant grows again. So he's given me these gifts, these 4 plants as gifts, and I'm really grateful to Dipto. Thank you so much, and I'm really thrilled to have this. Okay, plus this one's a treasure. Now you must be wondering what's in this little box. I'm not opening it because there are some beneficial bugs in there. As you can see, the tiny white little fellows inside are springtails, and they are beneficial bugs. So you put them in terrariums, and they maintain terrariums for you. So I will let you know more about this as I experiment, as I aim to get them to breed and grow. So I'm going to let you know more about this. So keep looking out for my Insta posts and for my YouTube videos to know more. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'm thrilled to have all these new plants in my collection. Some of them will be in my brother's home, some of them will be here. But I'm really excited. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And hit the bell icon for notifications to join the notification squad so that you know when I upload new videos and you can participate in our monthly giveaway. So check out the rules in the description. Don't forget to do that. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, stay green.